Adams Jewelry is a full-service jeweler and custom jewelry manufacturer located in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. As a leader in our class, we provide world-renowned quality in order to serve our customers locally. We create and repair jewelry on location. Adams Jewelry sets the standard for custom jewelry making and design. From old-school pen and pad drawings to the latest in 3D design technology, working with Adams Jewelry opens the doors of possibilities for you. That means you are no longer limited to purchasing mass-produced pieces so prevalent today at many chain store locations. At Adams Jewelry, we invite and encourage you to participate in the design process while our dream team of professionals guides you along your journey. Our goal is to ensure that your jewelry holds a special place in your heart and that your gift expresses the love that you intend it to.
It's beautiful.
We know firsthand the satisfaction gained through designing and creating gorgeous, meaningful pieces of jewelry, and we hope to share that satisfaction with you.
Please, by all means, my customers and friends, please stop by Adams Jewelry,
where imaginations come true.